Comparison of local anesthetic efficacy of tramadol plus adrenaline with lignocaine plus adrenaline for extraction of tooth under supraperiosteal infiltration, a pilot study. Introduction. The term pain can be defined as an unpleasant emotional experience, usually initiated by noxious stimulus and transmitted over a specialized neural network to the CNS, where it is interpreted as such. Local anesthesia can be defined as loss of sensation in circumscribed area of the body caused by depression of excitation in nerve endings or inhibition of conduction process in peripheral nerves. Various methods of inducing local anesthesia include tissue compression, low temperature, anoxia, chemical irritants, neuroleptic agents such as alcohol, chemical agents like local anesthetics. The hypothesis postulated in this study was even though tramadol is an opioid analgesic with specific property of peripheral analgesia when injected locally, it can be an effective mild local anesthetic for tooth extraction. Aims and objectives. The aim of this study was to evaluate the efficacy of tramadol as local anesthetic when compared with lignocaine for the extraction of tooth. Based on the aim of the study, the objectives were as follows. Incidence of allergic reactions, onset of anesthesia, duration of anesthesia, postoperative analgesia, patient feedback, any other complication. Materials and methods. This pilot study was carried out in the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. In this study, a total number of 20 patients were divided randomly in two groups, each of 10 patients. Patients inclusion criteria. Patients only of ASA physical status 1 between the age group of 18 to 45 years of any gender who require conventional tooth extraction of maxillary teeth. Exclusion criteria. Patients with history of compromised medical status. Patients with known history of allergy to the drugs used in this study. Pregnant or lactating females. Presence of acute infection. Mentally retarded patients. Armamentarium used was as follows. Group 1. Each patient in Group A received 5% tramadol with 1:1 lakh as a local anesthetic solution for tooth extraction under supraperiosteal infiltration following strict aseptic precautions. Group 2. Each patient in Group 2 received 2% lignocaine with 1:1 lakh as local anesthetic solution for tooth extraction under supraperiosteal infiltration following strict aseptic precautions. All patients were assessed for the following parameters in both the groups. Incidence of allergic reaction. This was measured by injecting 0.1 ml of the test dose intradermally and its response was evaluated after 15 to 20 minutes. Scale used was as follows. If there was no allergic reaction to the drug injected, then intraoral injection was performed. Each patient initially received 1 ml either tramadol or lignocaine as supraperiosteal infiltration on buccal side and 0.2 ml on palatal side. Onset of anesthesia. A stopwatch was used to measure the subjective assessment of numbness. At equal intervals of 5 seconds, a dental probe was pushed into the gingival crevice on the buccal side and pain was assessed using the visual analog scale 0 to 10. Duration of anesthesia. The time duration between the appearance of numbness and its disappearance as reported by the patient was recorded as a duration of anesthesia. Patient was asked to wait within the department for up to 3 hours for which a written consent was obtained initially and a dental probe was used on the buccal aspect of clavicular region to check for presence or absence of anesthetic effect. Postoperative analgesia. This was measured for a duration of 12 hours after the extraction of tooth. Patients were asked to mention the pain felt, if any, on the VAS at intervals of 1 hour. They were also instructed to consume local analgesics only if any pain was experienced. Adverse reaction. Adverse reactions within the first 24 hours post-operatively was measured on the following scale. 0, none, 1, nausea, 2, vomiting. Results. In this randomized prospective study, all patients were aged between 18 to 45 years. Data obtained was fed into Excel sheet to prepare a master chart and this was statistically analyzed using independent sample t-test on 2015 IBM SPSS to 21.0 version software. Incidence of allergic reaction. None of the patient in either group showed any untoward reaction to the drug injected. The difference between the two groups was statistically insignificant for the incidence of allergic reaction. In group 1, the mean subjective onset of action was 35.5 plus or minus 8.96 seconds. In group 2, the same was 50 plus or minus 9.12 seconds. In group 1, the mean objective onset was 154 plus or minus 34.383 seconds. In group 2, the mean objective onset was 154 plus or minus 34.400 seconds. Duration of action. The mean duration of action in group 1 was 4699 plus or minus 3904.170 seconds, while in group 2 it was 8040 plus or minus 2995.997 seconds. The statistical difference was significant. The mean duration of analgesia was 16680 plus or minus 5971.93 seconds in group 1, while in group 2 it was 30880 plus or minus 6863.235 seconds. The statistical difference was significant between the two groups. These are the charts of the same statistical analysis. The inferences are no significant difference was seen in the genders. In chart 2, there is comparison of onset, subjective as well as objective among the two groups. The statistical difference of onset between the two groups was not significant. This is the third chart, comparison of duration and post-op analgesia among two groups. The statistical difference of duration was significant. The statistical difference of post-op analgesia was significant between the two groups. Discussion. Wei Hu Peng et al. In 1998 conducted a study wherein local and systemic side effects were observed and recorded using tramadol, metoclopramide, and lignocaine. The authors concluded that commercially available tramadol or metoclopramide, like lignocaine, produces local anesthetic effects following intradermal injection. Wei Hu Peng et al. In 1999 postulated that tramadol has a local anesthetic activity. Hu H. L. et al. In 2007 presented a case report wherein evidence suggested an Arthur's reaction to either methylparaben or bisulfite preservative. T. Mert et al. In 2001 conducted a study whose conclusion was that tramadol blocks the nerve conduction and is pH dependent and it could act as weaker local anesthetic and maybe with a mechanism of action being similar to hydrophobic local anesthetic. Tufan Merck et al. In 2002 presented a study with the conclusion that tramadol blocks nerve conduction like a local anesthetic with a weaker effect than that of lignocaine. Their results also suggested that it might have either different binding sites or different mechanisms of action. Kargi et al. In 2008 did a study and concluded that 5% tramadol with adrenaline had local anesthetic effects similar to those of lignocaine plus adrenaline when used as infiltration anesthesia. More importantly, tramadol plus adrenaline was not associated with any local or systemic side effects, and there was no requirement of any additional analgesia during first 24 hours post-operation. True allergy to amide type of local anesthesia is less than 1%. However, allergic reaction to other components used along with lignocaine like methylparaben and sodium metabisulfate does exist as well, due to which alternatives to conventional LA has been introduced in routine dental practice. The good example of which is diphenhydramine HCl. Unfortunately, this drug is hardly available in injectable form in our country, so there is a need to search for another LA alternatives which are readily available. Since tramadol has been shown to have LA effect in minor surgical procedures, we have chosen to test this drug in conventional extraction procedures. Limitation. This is a pilot study conducted on fewer patients, but we are planning to conduct it on a larger scale. Conclusion. Tramadol HCl can be a good alternative to conventional LA. These are my references. Thank you very much.